Very sweet. Good morning, my dear students. Again, I am back with a new topic, article. Today, I am going to tell you how to write an article, and very important topic of writing section from class 9th to 12th. This is the format of article. I will tell you each and every thing that is important to write an attracted article. Okay? This is the format. First, title, heading. Before starting this topic, I would like to tell my dear students that an article is an interesting topic or piece of writing section to be published, to be printed in any newspaper or magazine. Okay? Article, magazine या न्यूज़पेपर में प्रिंट करने वाला, कराने वाला, प्रिंट होने वाला एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक. इट्स डिपेंड ऑन द राइटर हाउ ही और शी कुड मेक इट अट्रैक्टिव. फर्स्ट, टाइटल, हेडिंग. मेक द टाइटल, heading eye catching. Eye catching, it means if you have given a title to your article, it means the people who are reading it must be aware about the entire matter. केवल हेडिंग से ही वो पूरे मैटर के टॉपिक के बारे में जान जाते हैं. तो मेक द टाइटल और हेडिंग आई कैचिंग, and it should be illustrate the theme of article. The thing I told you, the theme of the article. Only the single heading, only the single title, topic would tell you about which or what you are going to write an article. Okay? केवल heading आपकी बता देगी. I am giving a heading to you. The status of women in society. Okay, this is the heading, the status of women in society. It means everyone could know about whom, about what the article is going to be written by the writer. Okay, केवल उससे पता लग जाएगा. स्टेटस ऑफ वीमेन इन सोसाइटी, इट मीन्स समाज में महिलाओं की स्थिति को, उनके स्टेटस को बताया गया होगा पूरे आर्टिकल में. ओके, तो दिस इज योर हेडिंग. ओके, नाउ बाई लाइन. व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस थिंग? द नेम गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन इज टू बी यूज्ड. मीन्स इफ आई एम राइटिंग any article, the status of women in society by Sanjay Yadav, it means I am the writer of this article. Okay, if the name is not given, then write XYZ ABC. It might be possible in your question paper, name of the writer or the person who is writing the title, the article is not given. Then you are supposed to put X by Z or ABC, by ABC, by X by Z. Okay? ध्यान रखें इस बात का. मैं हिंदी में बताता आपको. अगर आपके क्वेश्चन में आर्टिकल आपको लिखना है और नाम नहीं दिया गया है तो आप वहाँ पर ABC X by Z भी बाई लाइन में लिख सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट, इंट्रोडक्शन. Put the topic in the proper perspective. topic in the proper perspective. Relevant facts and statistics should be stated along with quotations. It means this is very important part of the article. In this part you are supposed to give the introduction of the topic you are going to describe. Okay, means as I told you that status of women in society, so introduction about the status of women in society should be given in this paragraph. Means women are not inferior than men. Nowadays they are working having their shoulder equal to men. They are working in each and every field. None field is there that is very hard for the women. हर एक क्षेत्र में women जो महिलाएं हैं वो पुरुषों के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर काम कर रही हैं और हर एक क्षेत्र में वो उसके साथ हैं. Only that nation could be rich, strong and prosperous where the men and women both are given equal rights. Okay, equal rights. I mean to say the introduction about the topic should be written or given in this first paragraph. Okay, and the way of introduce your topic must be very attractive, very in manner of emphasize. It means this is the sole paragraph of an article. सबसे ज़रूरी ये पैराग्राफ है. By this paragraph you can state the situation of the topic you are going to describe or explain. Next, development of topic. Development of topic. After giving introduction, after telling all the things about your topic, your article you are going to write, you are supposed to develop your topic. Various aspects of the topic should be discussed, including merits, demerits. Means your topic should be described in such a manner that the merits and demerits, causes, reasons, effects, results, positive or negative points, all the things must be there in the paragraph development of topic. Your topic should be developed given all these things, that what is the importance of the topic, what the necessity of the topic, what are the merits of the topic, what are the demerits of the topic, what are the reasons for the issue. Okay, what would be the consequences, what will the result, what are the negative points of the topic and what are the positive points of the topic. All points should be discussed in the development of topic. ओके, मैं हिंदी में बताता हूँ आपको. जो आपने टॉपिक ऊपर इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, अभी उसी टॉपिक को आपको एक्सप्लेन करना, डिस्क्राइब करना है. इसके मेरिट्स, डीमेरिट्स रखते हुए इसके फ़ायदे, नुकसान, प्रभाव, इसका कारण, ठीक है, नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव, ये सभी पॉइंट्स और आपको अपने व्यूज़ इस पैराग्राफ में रखने हैं डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टॉपिक. गॉट इट? नाउ summing up, this is the last paragraph in which you will sum up your topic. Conclusion should be given there. This should include your opinion, comments, recommendations, steps to be taken, suggestions, ठीक है, solutions, etc. Means the topic that you have described, the topic that you have explained, that topic in which manner that is important, your opinion, comments, recommendations, steps to be taken, suggestions, solutions, is all the things should be put in the last paragraph of the article. Okay, last para में आपको ये सभी आपका opinion, whether your topic is a moral or lesson for the society, or all the things you have described are in the favor of your topic or disfavor of your topic, all the things, solution if there are problem, as I told you that status of women in the society, it means how they could still in our society, in some areas, in remote villages, the women are inferior than men. Still girls are not sent to school to get education due to the backwardness. People even today they think that there is a major difference between men and women. You are supposed to tell your comment or solution, your suggestions, that the era has changed, the society has changed, the world has changed. Now everybody must put this thing in his or her mind that men and women are equal. Even in some areas of fields, women are ahead than men. Recently, you would have seen that girls have got more percentage than boys. They have succeeded in large number and left boys behind. देखा अभी आया था लिखा हुआ कि गर्ल्स ने लड़कियों ने बाजी मारी, ठीक है, एग्जाम में वो लड़कों से आगे. कई कॉम्पिटिटिव आपके एग्जामिनेशंस में भी ये आता है कि ठीक है, गर्ल्स और वीमेन डिफीटेड मेन आता. अभी IAS का रिजल्ट अभी पहले निकले था पिछले उसमें, तो आपने देखा था जो टॉप किया था, शी वाज अ गर्ल, शी वाज अ वुमेन. ओके, तो आई मीन टू से योर सजेशंस to society, for the society, your suggestion for those people who think that women are inferior than men, they must know about these things. उन्हें पता होना चाहिए कि आज लाइफ में एरा चेंज हो गया है, टाइम चेंज हो गया है, ज़माना चेंज हो गया है, सोसाइटी चेंज हो गई है, हमारा विश्व चेंज हो गया है. अब वो स्थिति वीमेन की नहीं है. इफ देयर इज एनी कंट्री और नेशन दैट इज डूइंग अनफेयर विद वीमेन कंपैरिजन विद मेन, अगर महिलाओं की दशा पुरुषों की तुलना में किसी भी राष्ट्र में, किसी भी कंट्री में खराब है, इट मीन्स सूनर और लेटर दैट कंट्री would face major problems. कभी न कभी उसको प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करना पड़ेगा, and that would be cut off the mainstream of द वर्ल्ड, दुनिया से बिल्कुल अलग हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स such type of suggestions you can put in this paragraph, summing up paragraph. Okay, I have given only an example to make you understand about my topic, the status of women in the society. मैं फॉर्मेट के साथ साथ आपको टॉपिक के माध्यम से ये भी बताता चल रहा हूँ कि किस प्रकार से आप उस टॉपिक को डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, कहाँ पे रखेंगे, कहाँ सजेशन होंगे, वेयर वुड बी योर ओपिनियन, व्हाट यू विल राइट अबाउट योर टॉपिक, इंट्रोडक्शन, डेवलपमेंट एंड द लास्ट पैराग्राफ समिंग अप. ऑल द थिंग्स that I have told you are very important to be put there in the format of article, so that you could write a very good and marks getting article. Okay, conclusion. An article should be concluded with hope, warning, making an appeal or call for action. It means hope, warning, appeal means your conclusion portion will describe the warning if you want to give to society, that if the society will not do the equal rights to women as men, it means that society would be destroyed or ruined one day, बर्बाद हो जाएगी, and that nation, that country would not be able to make itself strong, prosperous and independent. Got it? Okay, the warning means, this was the warning I am giving, I have given about this topic. Appeal means you can do appeal to the people, society, our leaders, those who are supposed to make rules to provide rights to men and women. उन लोगों को आप अपील कर सकते हैं that you should provide equal rights to women if they want to see the country or their nation in a very strong form. अगर वो उसको ऐसा देखना चाहते हैं तो ये मेरी अपील उनसे है, इक्वल राइट्स दिए जाएं. गर्ल्स should go to schools to get education. They must know their rights, right to education, right to different types of rights that are given to men and women equally in the Constitution of India. Okay, वो सभी rights उनको देना चाहिए. उनकी स्थिति, the condition of women should be good. They must be provided equal opportunities as men. जैसा कि पुरुषों को अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दी जाती, संभावनाएं हों, उनको भी दी जाएं, महिलाओं को भी, ताकि वो इसको अवेल करें और वो भी अपने देश को, राष्ट्र को मजबूत बना पाएं. अदरवाइज ये जो डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन मैन एंड वीमेन है, दैट विल अफेक्ट badly to our nation, not only our nation, any nation of the world. Okay, the status of the women in the society was our topic. With the help of that topic, I tried my best to make you understand where and how you are supposed to write your heading, introduction, development, summing up, these all the portions of the topic. Okay, now I have told you each and every thing about this particular topic, article, its format and other things, where you are supposed to put what thing. Nothing is left, it has been completed now. At last, dear students, it's my humble request to all that with the help of your own opinion, what do you think about the topic that is given to be written by you in the form of article, you must make it, eye catching and attract. इस तरह से आप लिखें कि आपके टॉपिक को पढ़ते ही पता लग जाए कि आप बहुत अच्छा आर्टिकल लिखने जा रहे हैं. इट्स अ इम्पॉर्टेंट पीस ऑफ राइटिंग सेक्शन अबाउट अ टॉपिक टू बी पब्लिश्ड इन न्यूज़पेपर और मैगजीन. किसी भी मैगजीन न्यूज़पेपर में पब्लिश होने के लिए आपका आर्टिकल होता है. और आर्टिकल आप भी देखते होंगे, जो भी न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं सभी लोग उसको पढ़ते हैं और पढ़ने में उन्हें पता लग जाता है कि किस बारे में और किस तरह से कैसे आपने ये आर्टिकल लिखा होगा. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू गेट वेरी गुड मार्क्स इन द एग्जामिनेशंस, देन यू मस्ट have all the things in your pocket of mind at the time of writing article. You should put those all the things out to make it good and very attractive topic article. Okay, now you are supposed to have some topics. You must try to explain those topics in this form I have told you, and after practice I am sure that you would be able to write a very good article. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.